Good day, Ma'am Jess. My name is Mark Florence Camilla, Grade 12 Gideon, Group 1. And this is my video reporting. And now I'm gonna discuss the safety test. And now I'm gonna discuss the safety test. Safety test refers to evaluation process conducted by entrepreneurs to ensure that their product or service poses no harm to consumers such as food poisoning and the duration of contamination. In the cases of service, this involves putting in place procedures to ensure the client's health and safety throughout the supply of services. Food handling and storage in order to prevent contamination and preserve standards for food safety. How to make sure the proper food handling and storage processes are followed. In order for lowering the risk of contaminated infection, the process for the product is receiving, storing, and preparing food product. And that's it. Thank you po.